Welcome to your introduction to GraphQL, the powerful query language for your API. GraphQL is a game changer for data fetching, allowing clients to request exactly the data they need, no more, no less. It's a modern alternative to traditional REST APIs. Let's start with the fundamental building blocks of GraphQL queries and mutations. Queries are how you request data from your GraphQL server. The key advantage is that you define the structure of the data you want in your request. Mutations are used when you need to create, update, or delete data on the server. Think of them as the equivalent of post, put, or delete in REST. The GraphQL schema is the core of any GraphQL service, defining what data can be fetched and modified. Your GraphQL schema acts as a contract between the client and the server. It specifies all the types and fields available for interaction. The schema uses object types to represent data. These types are built from basic scalar types like string, int, boolean, and can contain lists of other types. To use GraphQL, you'll need a server implementation to handle your schema and data sources. Frameworks like Apollo Server make setting up a GraphQL API straightforward, regardless of your backend language. Resolvers are functions that tell GraphQL how to fetch the data for a particular field in the schema, connecting your types to your actual databases or services. On the client side, tools help you easily interact with your GraphQL API. Client libraries like Apollo Client simplify the process of sending queries and mutations from your web or mobile applications. Using the client, you will package and send your GraphQL queries to fetch data and mutations to make changes. Beyond the basics, GraphQL offers powerful features for efficiency and real-time capabilities. Fragments allow you to define reusable sets of fields. This is essential for keeping your queries clean and avoiding redundancy across your application. Subscriptions enable real-time communication. Clients can subscribe to events, and the server pushes data updates automatically. GraphQL helps you build fast, efficient, and reliable APIs. Ready to start building your next project with it? Thanks for watching.